Hey guys, my scale just came in the mail, so I'm really excited about it. I've been using this for a couple of weeks now, but I love it. It's really lightweight, very thin, and goes off of AA batteries, so it's very easy to have to change those batteries out. I can travel with this thing. It's very simple to use. Buttons are very simple. They're nice and flat. I can change all the unit measurements that I'm doing for fluid ounces or grams. I have milliliters. I can just do ounces. It'll weigh in pounds as well and ounces simultaneously. It can weigh my water. It can weigh my milk, weigh dog food. It's done everything I feel like it needs to. I can put a bowl and clear out the weights and then just weigh the food. I could put food directly on here, which is cool. But I mean, if I'm cooking like raw meat or something, sometimes I don't want to just put it directly on that. So it can do everything that I really need it to do. So far, an awesome product, and I highly recommend it.